One of the police investigators in the murder of former Bafana Bafana captain Senzo Meyiwa will today continue to give evidence in the trial within a trial in the High Court in Pretoria. Sergeant Batho Mogola led the arrest of accused number 1 Muzi Sibiya. Yesterday, the court heard that Sibiya made some admissions the first time he was arrested or was questioned about the murder in 2014. Today, the court is expected to hear arguments on the admissibility of confession statements made by accused 1 and 2. Let's now take you live to those proceedings.
What is this in help of? Because the whole address is incorrect the way I see it. Because the evidence, as I've listened to it, is Muzi section. Yes. So there's no section here. And then Tembisa, and it's Temba. I know in Hammanskraal there's a location called Temba.
Yes.
So, I mean,
but
no, I'm just saying this address makes no sense.
But the gist of the question lies on the number, my lord.
Yeah, well, fine.
And the possibility of a topographic error. That's the bottom line in terms of...
Yes, I don't have a problem with that.
May I proceed, my lord?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I believe on the last occasion we dealt with the issue of Dobsonville, where the version of accused number 1 is that you switch on his mobile phone and you scrolled his contacts. You came across the name Mkulu.
My lord, that is not the truth. The name Mkulu came up, my lord, on the 30th, my lord, of May, my lord, after Brigadier Gininda informed me that, my lord, there's a follow-up information that, my lord, I had to attend to.
And it's further my instruction that you immediately contacted that person who later you learned that it was Mr. Magwaza, who is the Inyanga that accused number 1 is using.
My lord, I still say that I went to Dobsonville, my lord, with regard to other investigations, my lord, which link accused number 1.
Yes, let me clarify this for you. When you went to Cambridge, as per your evidence, you said accused number 1 directed you to the old man, Mkulu, Mr. Zwane. Is that so?
What why Cambridge ngoba umsoda utshela ukuthi ungaya lapha
That's correct, my lord.
That was part of your investigation, is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
So now when you confirm that you went to Dobsonville as part of your investigation, what kind of investigation was that?
My lord, I did mention, my lord, the charge yesterday which I was, my lord, pursuing, and my lord, the counsel felt that I'm assassinating, my lord, the character of the accused number 1, my lord. So I don't know if I have to now lay down, my lord, all the cases, my lord, which I was investigating, my lord.
All right. Let's finally on that aspect. did you go to Dobsonville and meet Mr. Magwaza?
Why yini eDobsonville yohlangana noMagwaza?
That's correct, my lord.
Kunjalo.
You spoke to Mr. Magwaza.
Wakhuluma noMagwaza?
That's correct, my
Yebo
lord.
kunjalo.
Did you confirm that he is a Nyanga?
Wathola yini isiqiniseko sokuthi uyinyanga?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
Did you confirm the relationship between accused number 1 and that Mr. Magwaza?
Manje ke wakwazi yini ukuthola isiqiniseko sobudlelwano phakathi kwaloyo Magwaza nomsolo?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
So you confirmed that there was a prior relationship between the two.
So watholisisa ukuthi kwaba nobudlelwano ngaphambilini.
That's correct, my
Yebo
lord.
kunjalo.
Thank you. Let's get to... I wanted to clarify something before we proceed. It's just a minor aspect, but it might be relevant to the issue of assault and inducement.
Khona ngifuna ukuchaza okungasiza ukuzwisisa lolu daba esikhuluma lokushaywa nokuzama ukuphoqa.
Your evidence is that in relation to the trouser that accused number 1 was wearing, you said, accused number 1 said the trouser is expensive, that's why he wants to change it. Is that your
Uqala
evidence?
wayethi ufuna ukukhumula lokugqoka elinye ngoba wathi liyabiza lokugqokile.
That's what my lord he said on that day.
Iloko kakusho ngalelo la.
All right. So, at all times before you left or towards approaching his room with the purpose of changing that with the trouser,
Kusho nali ekhaya lakhe niyela nje ukuthi ayoshintsha lelo bhuluku.
My lord, we did not go to his place of residence, my lord, in order for him to change, my lord, a trouser. My lord, I did say that we went there, my lord, to confirm or to verify, my lord, the address.
Cha asiyange ekhaya ukuthi siyele ukuthi ayoshintsha ibhuluku. Esasikela lapha ukuthola nje isiqiniseko sokuthi yebo leli kheli ethu hlala kulona yilo.
And while, my lord, we were there, he's the one who requested, my lord, to change, my lord. It was not only a trouser, my lord. He also changed, my lord, the flip-flops, my lord, that he was wearing.
Yebo ke futhi akazange athi acela ukukhuluma ibhuluku kuphela waqhubeka athi ucela ukukhuluma nezithathu la ebuphaqaphaqa la ebegqokile.
yes, I'll get into that, ma'am. It's just that accused number 1 told me that the Cavella you said he wore is more expensive than the trouser. Hence, I wanted to refute the evidence to say he changed the trouser because it was expensive.
Manje ngifuna ukuqhubeka ngoba umsolo uthi ke lesicathulo sekavela othi ayisigqokile sibiza ngaphezulu kwaleli bhuluku leli.
Well, the cross-examination there of Sergeant Mogola is still underway in the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial. If you want to continue watching that feed, you can go on to the SABC news channel on YouTube and follow the proceedings in the Pretoria High Court.